Today, we are going to get started with R. Double click on the RStudio icon on your desktop or look for it in Apps. When the R program starts, this window will show up. Initially, we have three panels here. Console panel on the left side, Environment panel on the upper right side, and Packages panel on the lower right side. The console panel on the left side has some information about which version we are currently using, the release date of that version, some warranty and license information, contributors of R, and some basic commands for first time users like demo, help, and how to quit R. Ignore this for now because you are starting from the very beginning and I have already used it. So one of my previous workspaces has been loaded to R. Here you can type the command. Know that all the commands in R will start with this sign, also known as angle bracket or greater than sign. You don't have to type the sign, you can just get started with your command. We can also open the fourth panel from here. Or you can just go to Files, New File, RScript. Or you can just click on this green plus button, also known as New File button, and click on our scripts from here. You can see I have opened three windows. I am closing the two for now. In this panel, the source panel, you can write and save codes or commands. And in this panel, the console panel, you can see the results of the codes that you ran in the source panel. You can also run commands directly in the console and see results side by side. But command, result, it's a bit confusing for me. So I prefer source panel and go to the console to see the results only. In this playlist, I am going to use the source panel. You can work in console if you want to. Commands work same on both panels. Now let's see what other panes and their functions are. This terminal pane next to the console panel is used to access system shell. The background job is used to run R scripts in separate R sessions. Environment panel shows available variables. I don't have any variables available now, so it's empty. More on variables later. History. It will show the history of previous work. Connection pane. When you will connect your data to other datasets, they will show up here. And if you want tutorials on how to install packages, you can open this pane. Here we have files. Files of the workspaces saved will appear here. I have done some work here, that's why files are showing up. Plots. If you make graphs by running commands in the source panel, they will show up here. Plots. Okay, done with plots. Now next, packages. All the packages you install will show up here. Well, more on packages in a separate video coming up soon. Help. Here you can get help for basic terminologies, packages, and commands. And in the viewer pane, you can view local web content. In presentation panel, you can present slides of whatever data you have worked on and the results you got. Well, there is a lot more to explore in this upper menu. We will gradually go through them all in the next videos.